We have a frequently asked questions is available for anybody that wants to read some of the common questions that we've had about the CARES Act. And then also you can report a technical problem. Remember that right now on this website, this report a technical problem is shown a lot bigger, but at the time of this presentation, it was in blue letters with the flag at the bottom of the page. When you report a technical problem, the team that will respond to you are there to help you with issues such as maybe you typed in the wrong email address, or you're having problems uploading, or you have an issue with the system freezing up for you. They cannot answer any questions about the application itself, or questions you may have about your landlord or your accounts. They cannot answer those type of questions. A worker can answer those questions for you. You can dial 561-355-4792 if you need any questions answered about this application. Like I said before, if you have any problems with the system itself or anything that is happening as far as your registration is concerned, you can report that problem by selecting report a technical problem. And that concludes CARES funding applications. I'm going to go back and see if we have any participants on the line that would like to ask any questions. Okay, at this time, there are no participants on the line or no questions being asked. Okay, so that concludes the tutorial on completing CARES Act applications.